January 5th, 2021 Daily Math Review. Arrange the following conversions in order from least to greatest. Hint, convert them all to feet. So we need to convert them in order from least to greatest. So least means smallest, greatest means biggest. So we have a mile, 3 yards, and 2 feet. Yes, we can think of, okay, well, we know that a mile and feet, we know that a foot is a ruler length, right? So if we have 2 feet, does that compare to 1 mile? No. And then remember those 3 yards. 3 yards are 3 of those bigger ruler lengths. So that's bigger than a foot. But we know for sure that a mile is going to be bigger than both of those. We know that for sure. But 3 yards and 2 feet. Well, let's compare feet to yards. So if we look at our conversion chart, feet and yards. Let's do feet and yards. Well, there's 3 feet and 1 yard. So when we do our conversion, let's convert these 2 feet. We can put that over 1. And let's convert it to yards. And we're trying to get rid of those feet. Now remember, we said there's 3 feet. In 1 yard, there's 3 feet. There we go. There's 3 feet in 1 yard. So what we're going to do is we are going to multiply straight across. So 2 times 1 is going to be 2. And then 1 times 3 is going to be 3. And then we have 2 divided by 3, or 2/3. And we are going to keep those yards. Remember, we can cross out those feet because feet divided by feet equals 1 equals 1. We can cancel them out. So we have 2 divided by 3, so 2/3 yards. So that's going to be smaller than 3 yards. So for sure, those 2 feet, 2 rulers is going to be smaller than 3 of those big yardsticks, right? So 2 rulers is going to be smaller than 3 of those yardsticks. And that's it for our DMR. Great job!